Hey guys, Joe from Cold Springs RV bringing you the new 2019 luxury Surveyor 250 front kitchen slide. A couple nice features this year. Just gonna move the sign out of the way. We got the pet friendly, so we have the leash catch here, which is nice. So you can leave the dogs outside. You get some storage here. This is a front kitchen, so you're gonna have some storage here and storage in the back as well. Nice thing with these guys is you do the lighted step. These are still those secure stairs, so they're very nice. They fold right in, get out of the way for you. What I really like on this model is the outside kitchen, the outside cooktop, bottle opener, which is a nice little feature as well. Outside speakers, and they put the LED light inside the awning tube, so you can actually adjust the tilt and the edge of that, so you can see a little better at night. TV that's inside will mount out here. This is an outside TV bracket. Your plugs and your cable are right there. We'll go around this way. Fully walkable roof with Surveyor. They give you a ladder to go right up. And this is nice as well. You get some extra storage, coolers, firewood. Even bikes can fit on here. You'll have no issues. LED lights. Definitely a little bit brighter. They react a lot faster when you do the brakes. You do have an outside shower with hot and cold water, city water connection, and your wire for cable or satellite, which is really nice. Kind of pan around. One of the nicest features they did this year was the new front cap with an automotive style windshield. So if you ever blow that windshield, you break, if something hits it, you can get it replaced by a standard auto glass dealer. You do have the power tongue jack, which makes a lot easier for hooking up. Let's head inside. This floor plan is a home run for these guys. They even have lighting in the cabinets. It's really nice to get a nice LED strip running across the top. You do get the newer oven with the pots and pans drawer. These are nice. You can turn these on or off. Doesn't matter. You can leave them on all the time. One big decent stainless steel bowl sink with pull-out sprayer. What I do like about that front window as well, as you can see right side, that's some solid glass right there. This is the weight that this is coming in. That's dry weight right there, 5,520 pounds. We'll pan around here. Fridge and freezer. And then this is the nice new the new beds they've done this year. This will fold in, get up underneath that. And it does have a freestanding table. What I do like is the way they do the ceilings. The ceilings are nice. Get batten strips in the middle, gives you a little bit more perspective, and it is a barreled ceiling, so definitely a little nicer look. Even their slide out fascias, they do a two-tone, which really makes it look really classy. This is a luxury edition, so a little different. So you get a lot of the nicer features. You got a big hanging closet here. You get a Bluetooth soundbar right above, and obviously your TV as well. Plenty of room for everything you need down there. You can use it as a pantry or DVDs, you name it. One thing I do like to point out this year is the barn doors. These have been really popular with Surveyor, and they actually give it a nice real high-end look. One in here. Bathroom is a walk-through. What I do like about this bathroom is you do have a window. So if you want to air it out in here or let some steam out, you can. You still have a fan overhead to do that as well. We'll get right to the bedroom. Now Surveyor does use a true 60 by 80 queen bed, so it's going to be the same size as it would at home. What's nice about these is they're a nice comfortable bed. And you got nightstands on either side of the bed, as well as a drawer. Plenty of overhead storage. So you get a lot of hanging storage in here. This floor plan, they call it a 25 footer. You're getting a lot of space for 25 feet. I'm going to have Tom pan around the floor plan. I'll meet you outside. Okay, that's a 2019 Surveyor Luxury Edition 250 FKS. You want to take a look at it, go to www.coldspringsrv.com.